Okay, please, sir, may we know you, sir?
Yeah, my name's Comrade Engineer Wisdom Chidinwachuku, PG Amuku Autonomous Community, Obolo Ugiri Isialambano local government area.
All right, sir. Please, in a very brief language or sentence, can you explain to us what is actually going on here today?
Yeah, what is going on here is, in the tradition of Igbo land, there are cultural heritage within which people are being identified. And every clan, every community in Igbo heritage has what they are known for. For us, this is part of the cultures we are known for during festive period like this. And in some ramification, the issue here is fun for the people. And then to some extent, about 1980s to this period, we have made our masquerade to be free and fair. So what you see here is masquerade free of any diabolical sort of. We are here having fun. You can see the community. Nobody was hurted. No action that is contrary to the intentions of this. So you can see all of us were having fun. You can see great men of Nigerian Nollywood here in our community. That is to tell you that we are actually having fun. These are great men of the community, different professionals, doctors, engineers, business mugs, and so on and so forth. So we are grateful to have our son, Zion Onyeka, who is responsible for this. Nobody could do it better than him. And that is why you can see us queuing behind him. Because whatever product that comes from him is laudable to be identified. So we are very happy, we are very grateful, we appreciate him, we appreciate everybody that is here. Because all sons and daughters of Obolo, Amuku Autonomous Community, you can see we are all here. Look at the time we are still here. So that is to tell you we are having fun. We enjoyed it. And I know you're having fun too.
I am having a lot of fun. Honestly, sir, there's no doubt that this event is a success. Yeah. So I want to know, how often do you do this event? I mean, is it a yearly something?
Yeah.
And how long does it take you people to arrange or organize this event?
Good. As the PG of the autonomous community, for some time now, this have eluded our people. The fun we normally used to have and all this other. We are actually planning to bring it back. And that is why we are queuing behind Onyeka to make sure that we will do all we need to do. When we consult with all the great sons of the community, we need to do something to make sure that it's going to be an annual event. If possible, we are going to use it to make the day of the entire community. This is going to be a great one. We will put something else on it to make sure that it flies.
All right, sir. In essence, what you're saying is that this is going to be a yearly event.
Yeah.
So you're saying by this time next year, we all are invited.
Final
also.
answer.
Okay, that is very great, sir.
That's right.
All right, sir. One more question.
Yeah.
We have some communities that actually their traditions and cultures are actually dead. So what advice do you have for these people?
Well, the advice I have to give is this. A couple of days ago, I was invited by our Christian Pentecostal brothers for a crusade. And when I got there, they were talking about masquerade. And I told them, I said, no. As far as our community is concerned, we don't have things like that. What we are having is fun. What we are creating here is to make people happy. And that is what we're doing. So on this one, our advice to other communities is that if they know what gives them joy, let them do it. As long as it does not contravene to the law. As long as there is no ultra-violence of the rules and regulations. As long as there is no life claimed after this. All we want is what will give the people joy, love, peace, and harmony.
Well, my name is Levinus Agonna Nocheri.
Thank you, sir. We know why you're here. Do you mind telling us why you actually made out time from your busy schedule to be here?
Yes, you see, I think this is the first time I'm staying outside my family. 30th, 31st, and 1st. This is the first time. And why I came is that Zion, the director, gave me a hint of what is going to happen here. And I'm a traditionalist to the core. Though I don't have any Chief 20 tattoo because I don't want wahala. But I like traditions. You see, the white man came here years back and stole our tradition, stole our customs. They are using it, personifying it, baptizing it. We, those who have these traditions, we are no longer practicing them. Go to the west, go to the north, you see traditions. So I am very happy to be here today and to hear from the President General of this community that this is going to be a yearly affair. And I thank him very much. I thank Zion, who single-handedly organized this. I keep wondering what it will look like when the whole community joins hands together to organize it. I don't know how that day will look like.
All right, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. I'm sure everyone is happy to see you. Thank you so much. All right, sir. Please tell us your name, please.
My name is Okechukwu Okoro.
Tell us how you feel at this moment.
My sister, I'm very great. I'm very happy to be here. You know, many times, this government lockdown and everything, I live in Lagos. But all these things is part of the things that give me joy to come back to Christmas. Without this fun and everything, why are you coming to Christmas? What are you coming to do? When you look around, you see people, you see the joy, you see children, you see everywhere. That is the fun, that is the joy. Masquerade, many years ago, some people see it as a sort of diabolic something. But now, it has been refined and everything. All is joy. And because of this masquerade, you can see so many children everywhere coming, people from different walks of life coming to play and have fun with our community. So I praise the people who is trying to resurrect it. As our President General has said, it will be an yearly annual event. So let people from different walks of life come and enjoy it because it is enjoyable. You can see we are here at this time of the day because of the fun and everything. Nobody wants to go because everybody is enjoying it. But even that is something of different thing. Like me, I could have left, but I thank God I'm here and I'm part of it. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. And we are still here, although it's very late. As you can see, the crowd is something else. I mean, the program is Amuku Umano ahead. Masquerade dance show Carnival, right? Honestly, it's a success, and I'm sure they are inviting everyone for next year.
Yes.
Same time next year, right? All right, guys. My name remains Peacemaker, and this is Zion O Media. Enjoy the fun.
Wow.